point A is, I said A is x1, y1, because this initial point and terminal point, that means second point, is B. It is x2, y2. It is up to you. It's x1, y1, x2, y2, no problem. But all time I said this I is initial point, terminal point. Initial point is x1, y1, and terminal point is x2, y2. So about this figure is not nice. To find, first of all, explain about distance between 2 points. To find distance, use visible all time. It's very important to grade 10, grade 11, and exactly grade 12 is very, very important. So D distance equal to square root you have two brackets, between two brackets, positive. All two brackets is power 2. So inside bracket, write x2 minus x1 squared. x2 minus x1 all the power 2. y2 minus y1 all the power 2. This is all to find distance between two points. But to find midpoint, we have this segment IB. I is x1, y1. B is x2, y2. So how can find midpoint? This is midpoint M. M is xy. Why xy? Why not x2, y2 or x3? Because midpoint is unknown. To find midpoint, use the visible. M xy equal to order pair, large order pair, okay, between two fractions is comma, so x to 1 or x2, no problem, x2 plus x1 over 2. About distance x2 minus x1, but about midpoint x2 plus x1 over 2. Or about second is y, it's epsilon ordinate, y2 plus y1 over 2. So now this two rule is about to find distance between 2 points, use this rule. To find midpoint between 2 points, use this rule. Now you have two examples about two rules. Example. Between A is 5 seconds and B is 2. So how can we find? First of all, it means x1, y1, x2, y2. Initial point is x1, y1, x2, y2. Second step, right rule. D equal to distance, this rule distance equal to D, x2 minus x1 plus y2 minus y1 squared. So substitute each value, x2 minus x1. That means x2 minus x1, x2 minus x1. It's not need place, so x2 minus x1. So 2 minus 5 minus 5 squared. And you said, how can 2 minus 5? I cannot, but squared, no any problem. So plus between two brackets plus. Y2 minus y1. Y2 is y2. So y2 minus y1. So equal to 2 minus 6 power 2. So equal to D equal to square root 2 minus 5 equal to negative 3 by negative 3 power 2 plus 2 minus is equal to 4 or negative 4 to the power 2. So now equal to negative 3 power 2 equal to 9, not negative 9. 9. Why 9? Why 9? Who can tell me why negative 2, negative 3 power 2 equal to 9? Why not negative 3 power 2 not equal to negative 9? Why? Why? Okay. Yes. Very good. Because power is even. If power is even, so about negative is real. But if power is odd, for example, negative 2 power 3. Since power is negative, so you have negative 2 power 3 equal to 8, negative 8. What about this problem? Negative 3 power 2, power is even, so equal to 9. So write 9. Negative 4 power 2 equal to plus, negative 4 power 2 equal to 16. So now, 9 plus 16 equal to square root 25. Of course, you know 25 is perfect number. Square root 25 equal to, yes, equal to 25. 25, square root 25 equal to no positive, negative, no. Because D is distance no negative. Linear, radius, diameter, height, all this distance, all distance is positive. Distance between me and this table is positive or negative, maybe equal to 3 meters, so it's 3 positive. So square root 25 just equal to 5. So the distance between point A and point B equal to 5, just 5 centimeter or meter. So now about second subject. This distance, not distance, is midpoint between 2 points. Midpoint I said is M. So how can find M? Before any examples, you should know about 2 points. If 2 points are equal, if point AB equal to XY, or XY equal to AB is nice, XY equal to, if point XY, same thing is equal, XY, point XY equal to AB. So if 2 points are equal, if 2 or the pair are equal, that's mean X equal to A and Y equal to B by compare. X equal to A and Y equal to X equal to A and Y equal to B. So now, if you have an example about this question, it's very important. This is in the cumulative test. Question 3, page 272. N equal to point N equal to 2, negative 6, initial point. Is that, or it's midpoint, is the midpoint. Midpoint of segment BD. Segment BD. Where B is given, where B equal to negative 2 6. What is what are the coordinates of D? I said this rule to find midpoint. I said this rule to find midpoint. But if required question, not midpoint, for example, equal to terminal point or initial point, so also you can use this rule. I said this rule is rule midpoint. To find midpoint, use this rule. But in this rule, you have how many points? A, B, C, or A, M, B. You have 3 points. in each point is unknown, you can find unknown point, missing point by this rule. For example, like this question. I say this question, cumulative test, page 272, question 3 is very important to final exam. And it's midpoint. Midpoint is given. It's not required question. But point D, we have segment BD. Is BD. B is initial point, D is terminal point, and S in midpoint. N is given, N equal to 2 negative 6. B equal to negative 2 6. So, but D is unknown. D is x1. D is unknown. So how can find D? To find D, use same rule, like this. Last lesson, no minutes I erase. Okay. Write rule midpoint. M xy equal to x2 plus x1 over 2, comma, y2 plus y1 over 2. If you write y1 plus y2, same thing, not normal. So, midpoint is given, yes, now midpoint is given. But which is required? Which is the required question? D is unknown. Initial point and terminal point is, initial point is given, midpoint is given, but terminal point is unknown, last point is unknown, end point is unknown. So, now substitute. We have M. M is midpoint, M is 2 n 2 negative 6 equal to about x1 and x2. This x1 y1 is x2 y2. Substitute. x2 plus x1. x2 is y, x2 is x, write x plus x1. x1 is negative 2. Negative 2 over 2. About second point, second or absent 2 point is y2. y2 is y, write y plus y2 plus y1. y1 is 0. Negative 2 or b about b 6 is 6. Negative 2 6. Not clear. Negative 2 6. B is negative 2 6 and n equal to 2 negative 6. Come on. So now B y2 plus y1. So plus 6 over 2. Now simplify n 2 negative 6 equal to x positive negative 2 over 2, comma, y plus 6 over 2. Now I said if 2 points are equal, so abscissa is equal, ordinate are equal. That means x equal to I and y equal to b. About this point also. 2 equal to, or x minus 2 over 2 equal to 2. This point equal to this, initial with initial, terminal with terminal. So 2 points are equal. So we have two equations. Y plus 6 over 2 equal to negative 6. Now, solve two equations. We have two fraction equations. Just I said in the last year on the last lesson also, I said when we have two fractions are equal, so just by cross product. So over 2 is 2 over 1. So cross product equal to x minus 2 times 1 equal to x minus 2 equal to 2 times 2, 4. Now we have equation degree 1, so just by translating x equal to 4 plus 2 y plus, who can tell me why x minus 2 is negative, but when in right, so I said positive 2. Why? Yes, very good. Because anything translated in left to right or right to left change sign is negative to positive. So x is equal to 6. And about second equation, also by cross producted, y plus 6 times 1 equal to y plus 6. Because anything times 1 equal to 1. 2 times negative 6 is equal to negative 12. Now translate it, so y equal to negative 12 minus 6. So y equal to negative 12, negative 6 is equal to negative 18. Negative 18. So now we have two values, value of x and value of y. I said point D is xy, D is unknown, then D xy, x is equal to 6 and y equal to negative 18 is 2, n equal to 2 negative 6, D equal to 6 negative 18. It is logic? Yes, it is logic. You can find to check if you say maybe it's not true. So you can find this distance Bn and ND. If distance Bn and ND are same distance, so this value is true. But if not same distance, so it's wrong. But I'm sure about this, it's true. So D equal to 6 negative 18. About this question is choice. So I write choice. So it is about choices is I equal to negative 6, 18, B equal to, or branch B is small, B equal to AB equal to 2, negative 6, C equal to 0, 0, and D equal to 6, negative 18. You can check. I said this question is question 3, page 272 is cumulative test. If this question is choice, we have 4 choices, A, B, C, D. After solve this question, D equal to this 6 negative 18. So which is 6 negative 18? Branch D. So branch D is true. Point is D, also branch is D. Then D is answer. How much time to finish this time to build ring? Thank you guys to listen to me. Inshallah, to next lesson we will start to chapter 6, last chapter about your book grade 9.